Welcome to the quantum crypto portion of quantum feedback, where we're feeding forward into the field our energy, our finances, so that those finances may have a magnifying ripple effect as the quantum financial system is born in the decade of disruption. So let's dive in to quantum crypto. What's up, everybody in the quantum crypto community and the XRP community? Welcome to this little exploration into the XRP ledger and all the tokens that are there. I haven't even touched them all, and it's been so exciting to ride the waves of some of these pumps and some of the dumps of some of these tokens. So let's dive in. We're going to thank this creator, the Gadget78.uk, for creating this, this list, this spreadsheet of all these different tokens here. And we're going to dive into some of these just to get an analysis on the market. It's 20th of November, 2021. And let's go into our tabs here. Let's check out latest thing that I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at the Riddler coin. As you can see, it is going up. I'm looking to take some profits soon on the Riddler coin at around the $2.50 area. That's what I'm looking at there. Flip it into XRP before the weekend bull run. That's hopeful and speculative, but this is all speculative and that's not financial advice. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. I'm looking forward to this Riddler coin going from a cool, where was it where I got it originally, 11 cents, from a cool 11 cents up to, $2.50. Let's go. Next up on the list, we've got, what's this one called again? College NFT, the College coin NFT. This one looks like it's had a nice little pump. It's now trying to retrace back to some sort of a support. As you can see, I don't have any, but I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for maybe, there's a lot of coins out here, so we'll see. This looks like it could be a good entry, but again, I'm not really 100% convinced. So we're going to keep going and exploring. Now, this is something that I stumbled upon yesterday. Code coin. Now, as you can see, I do have a code coin holding. I FOMO'd in yesterday, and I bought a whole bunch at 0017. It's up double, apparently. Yeah, it looks like it's up almost double. Not really, but it's it went up through the night. It actually went up here and went up to the 008, and then woke up this morning and it's back down to where I got it, really. So this is an interesting ride that we can partake in these different new tokens that are launching on the XRP ecosystem. We don't really know what the future holds with a lot of these things, but we can do a little bit of research. We can get this little guide here, and we can go and have a look at, let's just go and have a look at that token, for example, the Code coin. And let's check out their website and see who's doing this Code coin. It's a codedigger.ca. Is that California or something? Anyway, so that's their website. Looks like they do web development, code stuff. So it looks like they, are connecting the dots on a lot of different moving pieces. So this could be a really interesting project in the future, if it's not a complete scam. So again, I haven't looked past the surface level of this code digger thing, but it's interesting. So let's continue on our journey. Let's find where we were before with the code digger. Here we go, code coin. Next up on the list is Vagabond. Now this looks like a really cool project. If we want to go real quick and we'll go and check out the Vagabond. Where are you, Vagabond? Is that what's called? Vagabond, yeah. Vagabond website. Have a little quick look at the vagabondapp.io. What are they doing? Business apps reimagined. Decentralized business apps, from idea to powerful products. So turn your concepts into reality in minutes. I guess they are creating a marketplace, for different projects and maybe different dApps that you can connect up and ultimately blockchain as a service kind of thing. This looks like it could be interesting as well. This could be, what we could be seeing here is the beginnings of something new, something exciting here when we dive into that and understand it a whole lot more. And let's try and find our Vagabond thing. Oh, that's Solo. Here's Vagabond. So, yeah, again, it's just nicely retraced. I think it's an accumulation stage here. Preparing for, for a little, price action, I suppose. Big sell volume here that kicked the price right down, allowing other people to accumulate in. I guess that's what's happening. I took some profits up at the $70 range, and yeah, bought in at 11. So, I'm sitting good. I got 4, not many, but how much do you want to speculate on these things? How many XRP do you want to spend on these things? It's a difficult choice to make when we're diving into these different ecosystems and tokens and stuff like that. I'm trying to double my money quick and hold some tokens in these projects for the long term because we are still so early. And that's really kind of my play here in this space. Saying that, I did sell all of my Solo last night. I took some profits up here and consolidated into XRP. Again, preparing for the weekend, for the possible weekend XRP firestorm, not fire sale, but firestorm up into the heavens. But, and looking for a retracement here for Solo to pick up some more and participate in the airdrop that's coming up next month. But I figured we've got plenty of time for some corrections. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to cash out all my Solo. So some coins I like to trade. Some coins I like to hold. And some coins I get attached to. Definitely not attached to XR Doge. Let's just say that much. But let's have a look at this chart and check out. Let's just have a look and see what we're seeing here in the XR Doge meme coin space. Now, as you can see, I do have some XR Doge that I bought. I bought it way down there at 003, 004. So we're still up. And I'm just going to keep holding my XR Doge. I've already taken profits. And wait for the next sort of pump. It might crash horribly. Or it might continue. So anyway, none of this is financial advice. I'm not recommending many, you'd go and FOMO into this necessarily. But we'll close that one up. Now, what is this token again? The gaming coin. Something gaming coin. There are a lot of tokens to remember. Let's try and figure out what this one is. It's coin. It's probably up here somewhere. It's called the gaming coin. Anyway, in-game credit token. In-game credit. I wonder what their website looks like. Oh yeah, it's iHunt4. This looks like an exciting project. Check this one out. I do believe I bought some of this. The iHunt4 is an innovative retail platform, metaverse, and coin. So essentially, it's a way to advertise your products and services by giving away free coins and tokens in people's augmented reality, or their, not their virtual, but their augmented, so they can hunt for tokens of yours around the world in the augmented reality space, and they can collect rewards from you and obviously connect with you in some way, shape, and form. So this looks really cool. Obviously it's on the XRP ledger, so it makes it really affordable, and it's really exciting to see these kinds of promo platforms coming up. this promo platform looks like it is going to be popular. ihunt4.com, you know. So check out the videos here. I'm not going to click those right now, but I'm just going to go back to the iHunt chart. iHunt4 chart. Oh, the in-game token. Yeah, here we go. So, it's pretty flatlined. This is the history of this coin. And it hasn't done much yet. I wonder what the tokenomics are real quick, if we can get the in-game credit, and we'll check out the tokenomics. There's 60 billion coins. Is that right? 60 billion? Yeah. 60 billion coins. So there's a lot of tokens out there on the market. Let's have a look at the chart again. Got that Floki one. Yeah, so, you know, obviously there's a lot of loading up to be done here for some people to load their bags. We're seeing a bit of volume come in here. And, yeah, you know, it's just a matter of time. Some of these things, this is about getting some good entry prices, good entry buying points. This one hasn't done anything. It looks real boring. So, yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Wonder how many I got. Did I get enough? $50. 50 XRP worth. Okay, cool. Yeah, anyway, that looks good. Let's keep going. I've got this exciting one to share. I just bought 230 million X Floki for less than 1 XRP, or probably around 1 XRP. Now, this is really early days. This is on the daily chart, so there's probably like, I don't know, 2 weeks here, or something like that, of this coin's trading history. And it's not even properly activated yet. Like, there is no trades over here in this section. So it makes it a little bit tricky to read the charts. Also, the price is lower than as it is listed here. The actual price point, you can't type it in. So I just wanted to show you guys this. If you want to buy 1 million Floki, and this is what I was playing with, it's like, okay, so 0.0000, well, let's try and remove this 0 so we can maybe 0.00000. We can't even write any more numbers there. Don't know what's going on with this. Why we can only write, what is that, 6 digits? 6 digits. Come on, guys. Anyway, what you can do is you can transact, and I think what happens, Sologenics will actually hunt down the next available price, not necessarily the one that you're, you know, clicking on here, but actually the lowest price. So if you go here to trade history, you'll see that when I'm going to buy, I'm using this, you know, what you see here, I'm using this to buy, but it's actually coming up with the total price. It's giving me these figures here for the price that I'm paying for these X Floki. And I think it's understandable that they're so cheap. There is, like, I think billions or trillions of these Flokis on the market, so it makes perfect sense that they're super cheap. This is kind of just me going, wow, they're like less than 1 X up. Like, you know, to get 100 million, I spent half an XRP. So that's kind of like, wow, that's interesting. I'm just gonna get a couple of those little bags and see where it goes in a couple of weeks, months, and you know, and years. So this is just like kind of putting some of these coins in the bag, you know, when they are pretty low. I don't see that this can get much lower, especially using these prices here. But yeah, that's kind of what I did this morning. And then the next one I want to show you real quick. This is called XB. Now this looks also like an interesting kind of NFT Mexiverse kind of project. Again, it's still very early days. You know, the metaverse is an iteration of the internet, part of shared virtual reality. So they're creating, you know, NFT things that can bridge across borders, maybe. I don't know exactly what they're doing. But there's a very limited token supply, limited to 2,222 tokens. They've got a, you know, a roadmap, you know, a basic website, some about who the developers are. Yeah, and it looks legit. They're just working on their projects. So where's the chart for XB? Let's check out the XB chart real quick. I don't have any XB yet. I think I did put an order in though, so I've got an order for half an XB, and kind of hoping it gets filled at 350. I don't think it will. I think this is a case of like buying at the market price, which I guess now is like $430 for the minimum. And then to buy like half of one, it probably will go up to 480. So, you know, that's kind of the trading range here to actually be a buyer. Is you're paying probably around $480 to get into that point where you can buy one XB. Just due to the selling volume. So this one could be good because, you know, obviously the supply is really low, which makes it extra volatile when, you know, when communities find out about these tokens. And as you can see, it could quickly go up to, you know, whatever. So at the 2,000 supply limit, this one could go up a lot. But so could all of them. So, you know, manage your risk levels out there, folks, and don't invest more than you're prepared to lose, and you know, don't sell all your XRP because that is gold, and it's still dirt cheap gold that you're spending here to buy, you know, potentially a whole bunch of shit coins. But they're XRP shit coins. They're way better than the other ones. That's kind of my thoughts. So anyway, that was my little look at what's going on Solargenic, and just hunting for little coins today on November 20th, 2021. This is the last one. We got X-Aliens. I haven't looked at these guys before, but I thought I'd check them out to see what they're doing. Price point tokenomics in the NFT tokenomics, sort of, I think the 10,000 range per total supply. And yeah, again, don't have any of those. Looks like it could be good. New day candle just started, so looking forward to having a little look at the rest of the market. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.